Today we're going to be doing a review on the OmniShaver. Here it is right here, no handle. Pretty comfortable. Two-sided shaver, shaves frontwards and backwards. I have about 3 days worth of hair on my head. Front. This is the back. Don't really grow too much on the top. But yeah, this is about 3 days. So I'm going to start by putting the cream on my head and we'll get started. Gillette. Self-cleaning, by the way. You don't have to rinse this off while you're shaving. Here we go. My initial thoughts. This is my first time using this. Feels pretty smooth. Thought I was going to tear my head up with this thing. Actually shocked on how smooth it is. They say you can do short strokes back and forth or long ones. So this is my first time using this, so I don't want to tear my head up, so I'm just going to do short strokes. It usually takes me like 20 minutes to shave my head. I'm actually almost finished. So I'm not pressing too hard. Just really gliding across. Haven't rinsed it at all. My head feels pretty smooth. So I guess when you get more comfortable with it, you can go faster. So now I'm actually starting to move. It's like scrubbing your head with a brush. Don't feel any cuts. Doesn't feel sharp. I think that's it. All done. So this is my first time using it, so I was a little nervous. Very clean shave. Very smooth. This is the back. Very smooth. Very fast. So I suggest you look into picking up an OmniShaver in the near future. Thank you.